Here we go.
This video, this one, and this one all are getting millions of views. Wondering what makes these relaxing short videos special? Well, they're racking up millions of views because they keep people hooked longer than any other format. So what's in it for you? I won't make false promises like other YouTubers who say you'll make $1,000 per day, blah, blah, blah. But here's the truth. We're in the age of attention economy. Grab viewers' attention and you're already winning. The income streams will follow. You can earn from affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling products, and more. And the best part? You don't need any video editing skills. I'll show you the fastest way to create these videos using AI tools. So, if you're ready to dive into this creator economy, this short AI tutorial is a must-watch. Let's dive in. 1. Generate image. First, let's create an image using Flux AI. You can find the link in this video description. Type your prompt in the prompt bar. You can make any changes in the advanced settings menu to match your target platform. Click the Run button to generate your image. If you're satisfied with the result, click Download to save it to your local computer. 2. Image editing. Now let's edit your image to remove the background using Photopea. You can find the link in this video description. On the homepage, upload your image or simply drag and drop it into the Photopea website. On the left toolbar, choose the Polygonal Lasso Select tool. Press Alt on your keyboard and scroll up to zoom in on the image. Then make a selection around the background or the part you want to remove. In this example, I will remove the outdoor part of the image so we can replace it with an animation. After the background is completely removed, click the File menu and select Export as PNG. Name your image, set the size, DPI, and quality, then click Save. 3. Overlay animation video. Now, let's search for overlay videos for our outdoor and indoor animations. In this example, we will use Canva. Create a new video project, and from the Elements menu, search for overlay animation for our outdoor animation. Select the animation you want, right-click, and select Set Video as Background. Download it to your local computer. Continue by searching for indoor animations. In this example, I will use fire and candle animations that will be placed inside the room. 4. Background music. In this video, we will use Suno AI to create background music. Go to the Suno website. You can find the link in this video description. To create your own AI music, you need a Suno AI account. Click the Sign Up option. You can continue using your Discord, Google, or Microsoft account. Now click on the Create menu to open the Create Music page. Describe the kind of music or song you want to generate using natural language. You can turn the instrumental option on or off. In this case, we will turn it on. Next, select the AI music generator version from the list. Once everything is set, click the Create button to start generating your AI music. After the generation process is complete, you can play your AI music by clicking the Play button. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can improve it by changing your prompt and regenerating it. If you are satisfied, go to the Library page. From the song list, click the Option button, select Download, and choose to download it as an audio or video file. 5. Editing. Now let's combine all video elements. In this example, I'm using CapCut as the video editor. Open CapCut and import all elements from parts 1, 2, 3, and 4. First, place the original image from part 1 into the timeline. Next, add the overlay outdoor video from part 3, followed by placing the PNG image from part 2. Adjust the video position and size. After that, add the fire animation video from part 3 on the upper layer, resize and make adjustments. Do the same with the candle video. Now, add the background music from part 4. Adjust the volume and music length to match the animation video. Once everything is set, click the Export button. Type the name of the video, choose the resolution, bitrate, format, and frame rate, then click the Export button to export your video. These are some example videos generated using these steps. Thank you for watching this AI video editing tutorial. Let me know in the comments section if you want more short video editing tutorials like this. Don't forget to visit my channel for more free AI courses. See you there!